Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are making this beautiful hairstyle displaying on your screen right now. Hi guys, so welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be creating a bow braid. We are creating a soft dreaming bow braid look designed especially for short hair. This is all about lightness, softness, and that's effortless sweet lifted beauty that feels both natural and quietly captivating. So I'm going to be sectioning our hair like so as I'm doing it on. So before we start, we already retouched our hair so that this style can come out very well. So we got the extension. We're using Forever Weave On as our extension for the bow braid, and we're using one pack of expression attachments for this hairstyle. So we cut the extension, the attachment extension into four, and then we're just cutting, we're just adding the Forever Weave On, forever expression we've won. We're just adding it strand by strand on each braid. So we're going to be adding um, 3 strands on each braid so that the hair is going to be full, like the extensions are going to be full. So that's what we're doing on this hair today. So guys, sit, relax and enjoy the video. Please don't forget to like this video, share it to family and friends, and then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I'm going to see you at the end of the video. Enjoy. So guys, we are almost done with this hairstyle. We're making cornrows at the side of the hair, which is part of the style, and then we are done braiding. Then I went ahead to use thread to coil the tip of the extensions then we're going to dip them inside hot water, and voila, this is the hairstyle so far. Look at how beautiful it is. Yeah, we are putting mousse. I had mousse to our hair. We don't manage mousse here because you know this hairstyle is so beautiful. Look at out, look it, just check. So guys, this is a perfect hairstyle for your Christmas. So we'll be giving you hairstyles that you can make for your Christmas. Make this hairstyle for Christmas, and then you're going to come back and thank me later. So I'll see you on my next one. Bye. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and be part of this amazing family. Thank you so much. I am looking forward for your subscription. Like this video, comment, share it to family and friends, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.